Hey everyone, welcome back to your English class. Students, as you all know, we are doing chapter number 3rd of the main textbook titled as The Little Girl. And in the previous part of this story, we got to know about a little girl who is afraid of her father, but her grandmother, she tries to minimize the communication gap in between the two. So let us see in the next part of the story if Kezia will be able to build up a strong and healthy relationship with her father or not. Okay. So let us continue with the paragraph number 5 given at page number 34. Okay. Laboriously with a double cotton, the little girl stitched three sides. Here this word laboriously, it means with a lot of effort or difficulty. With a lot of effort or difficulty. Okay, so here Kezia, she put in a lot of effort to make the birthday gift. She used double cotton thread and at last she stitched three sides of the cushion. Okay, but what to fill it with? That was the question. Now, Kezia, as she had prepared the bag in the shape of the cushion, and the fourth side of it was, left to be stitched. So she was confused that what should she use to fill the cushion with. The grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. Here, this word wandered into, it means went into by chance. Went into by chance. Scraps means small pieces of cloth or paper, etc., that are not needed. Small pieces of cloth or paper, etc., that are not needed. So, her grandmother was out in the garden, and Kezia, while looking for bits of paper or cloth to stuff into the cushion, reached to her mother's bedroom. Okay. On the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces, and stuffed her case, then sewed up the fourth side. Here, stuffed. Stuffed means to fill. Stuffed means to fill. Okay, so after reaching there, she found a heap of sheets of paper on the bed table. So she just gathered all the sheets, then tore them and stuffed those pieces of paper into the cushion. And then she stitched the fourth side of the cushion and had prepared a birthday gift for her father. Okay. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the Port Authority had been lost. Here, this word hue and cry, it means angry protest. Hue and cry, it means angry protest. So, now there was a lot of shouting in the house because Kezia's father had prepared a speech for the Port Authority and he was unable to find it. Okay. Rooms were searched, servants questioned. Finally, mother came into Kezia's room. Now, the family searched everywhere and they asked even the servants, but no one knew where the sheets of paper had gone. And finally, the mother reached the Kezia's room. Okay. Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. So here, Kezia's mother asked her that did she see some papers lying on a table in her mother's room? Oh, yes, she said. I tore them up for my surprise. So very truly, she tells her mother that she found some pieces of paper and as she needed them to stuff into the cushion, so she torn them and prepared a birthday gift for her father. Unknowingly, Kezia had done a great disaster. Okay. What? Screamed mother. Come straight down to the dining room this instant. So now Kezia's mother is so furious when she comes to know that Kezia has torn the speech that her father is looking for. And so she orders Kezia to come down into the dining room at that very moment. Okay. And she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro, hands behind his back. Here, dragged, it means pulled. Dragged means pulled. To and fro means backward and forward. Backward and forward. So here now, Kezia's mother brought her downstairs where her father is in full of tension as his important document, has been lost And as Kezia has torn it into pieces, so now Kezia will be scolded for the mischief that she has done. Okay. Well, he said sharply. Mother explained. He stopped and stared at the child. Did you do that? No, 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 she whispered. Okay, so now he is very angry with the Kezia, and he stared at her and asked her if she had torn the papers. Kezia, was so scared that she was again, started stammering. Okay. Mother, go up to her room and fetch down the damned thing. See that the child's put to bed this instant. Okay, so here Kazia's father ordered mother to go and bring that cushion downstairs and asked her to put Kazia to bed at that very moment. Okay. Let's move on to the next paragraph given here at page number 35. Okay. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. So here, Kezia wanted to justify her action as she was innocent. She didn't mean to harm her father. She was just, preparing a surprise birthday gift for him. So being sad, she kept laying in the shadowed room. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. I'm going to beat you for this, he said. Ruler means here scale. Ruler means here scale. So now Kazia's father is about to punish her for the wrong act she has done and told her that he would beat her with the scale. Oh, no, no, she screamed, hiding under the bedclothes. So here, Kezia got scared as much that she tried to hide herself under the sheets. Okay. He pulled them aside. Sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. Now, Kezia's father, threw away the sheets and ordered her to sit and stretched out her hands. Do you know why was he punishing her? Let us see the answer of this question in the next line. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. So the answer is here because he wanted Kezia to know this thing once and for all that she should not touch the thing that doesn't belong to her. He even wanted to teach her this thing so that it benefited to her in future life. Okay. But it was for your birthday. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. So here, Kezia tried to explain her position that she had been preparing a birthday gift for her father and had to stuff it with something. So she just tore the pages to stuff them into the cushion. But Kezia's father didn't listen to her excuses and hit her pink palms with a ruler. Okay. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. Wrapped means here covered. Wrapped means here covered. Clung means here hold. Clung means here hold. So, as Kezia was sad and afraid, so after few hours, her grandmother covered her with a shawl and, was trying to relax her. Even she made her sit in her lap on a rocking chair and Kezia hugged her grandmother tightly. Okay. What did God make fathers for? She sobbed. Sobbed means here cried silently. Cried silently. So here Kezia was still not comfortable. She was crying and heartbroken as her father didn't understand her and said that God should not have made fathers. Okay. Here is a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose. Go to sleep, pet. You will forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. So here, Kazia's grandmother, was trying to relax her. She gave her a handkerchief to blow her nose in it and asked her to go to sleep. She further added that by morning, Kezia would forget about the incident of last night, and even she told her that she tried to make her father understand the reason, but he was not in the mood to listen that night. Okay. But the child never forgot. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and red color flew into her cheeks. So here, Kezia, she never forgot the punishment that she had got. Whenever, she saw her father approaching, she would keep her hands behind her back because she felt that maybe he would hit her again. And with this thought, her cheeks got full of red color. Okay, thank you, students.